is our 2020 SkillsUSA district competition. So the students are competing in what they learn to do auto collision or auto refinishing.
So far, I've enjoyed all of it. I'm having a real blast. This is my first time with Skills, but it's been fun learning more and seeing all the students interacting. Both Kyle and Mike, the instructors, have helped me learning. They've walked me through the process of how to estimate a car, tear it down part by part, and see the pictures on CCC.
An estimator would go out and actually look at the damages, write up the estimate, and then go over it with the customer. And I've been able to learn all of that here at Ames.
I have a 72 Gran Torino Sport that was my dad's that I'm going to restore, and then I have a 1970 F100 4x4 that I want to restore. The reason I'm here is I want to improve my skills, and this is a good way to get more practice in.
This is my second skills competition. I competed second place last year at state, so I'm hoping to go to nationals this year.
In SkillsUSA, Ames has done very well in the last 8 years. We've had 15 students compete in this national event, along with several students in state and the district event. But as a national level, 15 students, all top 10, 7 podium finishes. Whether you're interested in service, auto collision, or auto refinishing, we do all three along with upholstery right here in the Windsor campus. Come down at any point in time and we'll give you a tour.